Here is the fuel pressure gauge. And here are the fuel injectors that we will be testing with
While
this
we
machine.
checked the second injector, it had good fuel
Hi
throw.
guys, my name is Abdul Loch and you are watching YouTube channel Al Wajid Tech.
Bad fuel injector systems. Spotting the signs of dirty fuel injectors and investing in a quick cleaning can help you smooth out your rough ride and get back to carefree cruising. Fuel injector basics. This might be the first time you have heard of fuel injectors, and that's okay. Your car's fuel filter, pump, and injectors are all part of an interconnected curve unseen under the hood system. Together, the filter, fuel, and injector ensure your engine receives the correct mixture of fuel and air. Here are a few signs there might be something wrong with your fuel injectors. Number 1. The engine misfires. Number 2. Idling get rough. Number 3. Your gas mileage tanks. Number 4. The RPM needle starts to dance. Number 5. Your car won't start. If these 5 problems are in your vehicle, you get fuel injector cleaning and services.
I have attached the fuel injectors to the injector machine. Here is the fuel pressure gauge. And here are the fuel injectors that we will be testing with this machine.
We will give it a pressure of 40 psi. This fuel injector is too weak to work. You can see this. Each drop is coming out very slowly. Even by pulsing, the injector is not working properly. The driver says that the car's grip is weak and sometimes the car starts late. While we checked the second injector, it had good fuel throw. You can see that. And it's the bad injector that gets so little fuel. So guys, these are the 5 problems that arise from not cleaning the fuel injectors on time. You can see which of these 2 injectors has a lower fuel throw and which has a higher fuel throw. The solution to this problem is that these fuel injectors are stuck and will be replaced. I hope you like my video. If you like the video, please like it and tell me in the inbox and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.